Action of Litecoin today. Um, Speaking of pleasant surprises, if you guys will look at today, this week's candle here, we will see that our price got down into the low 100s, looked to almost touch that $100 mark. However, the bulls were able to force this price action back up to around, let's see, where is this? 146, and then we're currently sitting at $163.50 US dollar. All right, so I would like to point out one thing real quick, and that's gonna be this this volume picking up. Now, if we see on a weekly at the end of the week next week that this volume, you see this trend, this line here that at the bottom of the screen. All right, so if we can get that volume to stay up above that level, and we'll be looking really good as far as a nice strong uptrend. If we look at our RSI, you'll see that we are still oversold. Now, what I am waiting on, like I have some holdings in LTC. What I'm waiting on before I would pick up any more LTC is for the blue line to cross above that red line right there. That's what I would be looking for. So we're gonna reduce our time frame here real quick. See if we can find a price target, an entry point for you. On a 1 hour chart, as you can see, we have a nice upward trend here. It's a nice upward trend. Now our RSI is getting overbought there, but we're not above 80, so we're still in a somewhat safe range. What I would expect to happen once we get over that 80, if you can look, Litecoin seems to like to trade up to around a 95 stochastics level. I mean, that's where it likes to go. So where we're at right now is the mid 70s, so we still have a decent amount of room to go up, and then we would look to retrace back to this support line here. So that's just my look at it. So if I was going to make an entry, I would let that get up above that $165, $166 ceiling that it appears to have, and then I would expect for it to retrace to that support level. And if we get it in this time frame, you would be looking at around $159, $160. But if we're just completely honest, what's like $3 or $4 if you're looking for an entry point on something that's long-term hold. The reason why I would say it would be long-term hold. See, it's a one-day chart. That's not. Well, see, if you look right here, you'll see that we have room to trade back some or pull back some. On the daily chart, that is oversold. So I can see that coming back some, but we're not talking about a whole lot. Let me just throw a line up here real quick so you can see this little level of support we got. So we might come back and pull back to there in that time frame. That's 150, so I mean it's possible. What did I want to see again? I want to see this 1 week chart. You guys may be familiar with the flag pattern. Yep, that's what I see there. I'm gonna sketch it out real quick. I'm not gonna draw this video out too long. I got somewhere I gotta be. But you know, something like that. So if we see this, we see that break above like these levels here, something like that, you really be looking to get in before any of that stuff happens. You may see a pullback into this 150s area. You know, I don't know why my lines are so squiggly, but yeah. So I would look forward to pull back a little bit before I re-enter, but if it breaks out above that $175 right there, it's definitely gonna go up more. If you look at the stochastics again, we are definitely oversold on that weekly chart. It down to like 6, so 20 would be considered oversold. 20 would be considered oversold, and we're at 6. So there you have it. All right, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment.